A very warm welcome to all my viewers. Today we are making a very popular staple food, comfort food from which is very popularly made in Europe and Middle East. I've used red lentils which I've washed and soaked about 1.5 cups, one finely chopped onion, one medium-sized carrot which is finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic. Tomato puree I've used in a total about 4 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon chili powder. You can reduce it if you don't want it spicy. And I've used 1/4 teaspoon pepper, salt to taste about 1 teaspoon, and olive oil. You can also use butter instead of olive oil. To begin with, we'll first add in the olive oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and we'll add in the chopped garlic. We'll just fry it for a few seconds. This gives a really lovely taste to the soup. And then we'll add in the onion and we'll just fry it till it's transparent. This is a comfort food in Middle East and throughout Europe and Latin America. This is generally served with bread and it tastes absolutely delicious. It's so nutritious and healthy as well. So I'm adding a bit of carrot, that's about one medium-sized carrot, or you can add about half a cup of carrot to this. We'll fry this for a few seconds and then we'll add in the soaked lentils. I've used the red lentils, and this red lentil or the masoor dal is popularly used in this recipe, but you can also replace it with any other lentil. But it tastes best with this one, so do try it with the red lentils or the masoor ki dal. We'll add in about 1 liter of hot water to this, and we'll allow the lentils to cook well till they are completely cooked. And in the meantime, till the dal is cooked, we'll make the other part of the recipe. I've used a tablespoon of butter, rather a teaspoon of butter, and I just added a bit of olive oil so that it doesn't get burnt. And to this we'll add in the maida, which is 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. You can also replace it with wheat flour, or you can even avoid it because the dal is already thick. To this we'll add in the tomato puree. At the beginning I had taken just about 1.5 tablespoons, but I felt it needed more, so I've used a total of about 4 tablespoons. Since this is dilute, if you're using the thicker one, like the one which is available in the Middle East, then you can stick to about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons. But if it's a bit dilute like mine, you can add up to 4 tablespoons. Since it's a bit difficult to mix, I added a bit of hot water. Now we'll keep this aside. After we add in the masalas, I've added the chili powder, salt and pepper to this. Just mix it up and keep it aside. Now we'll go back to the dal. We'll see if this is cooked completely. The lentils have cooked completely. And make sure you still have water in it, otherwise you can keep adding some water according to the need. The dal is done, so we need to grind this. You can use a blender as well to do this. It doesn't have to be extremely fine. You can keep it a bit thick, so that's when you get the nice texture of the soup. I'm sure you love this soup. It's really flavorful and it tastes just amazing. So we'll add in the tomato paste that we made to this. You can serve this with bread as well. It tastes absolutely amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. This is again an excellent low calorie recipe which you can also serve it in Iftar this Ramadan. So don't forget to try this recipe for your Iftar or your Suhoor. It's really fulfilling and it's really delicious. So I felt the soup needed a bit of salt, so I've added a bit of salt to it. It's a thick soup. The consistency is something like this, but if you like it a bit thinner, then you can add some more water to it. Now I just want to taste it to see if everything is balanced, if the flavors are balanced. We just bring it to a boil, and I want to sprinkle some zira powder or cumin powder to this. That also enhances the taste of the soup, and we'll garnish it with some sumac if it's available. Otherwise you can just garnish it with some coriander leaves and pepper powder. Let's transfer it to a serving dish. Garnish it with a bit of sumac or chili flakes or pepper powder and some coriander leaves. I hope you make the soup and enjoy it, and do let me know in the comments section if you liked it.